Get a load of this massive impact. Say hello to the SP Tools 18V half-inch SX Drive High Torque Impact Wrench Kit. This beast delivers an incredible 1,600 foot-pounds of bolt-busting torque and 900 foot-pounds of working torque thanks to its powerful brushless motor and advanced SX Drive technology. With variable speed control from 0 to 1,400 revolutions per minute and 0 to 1,950 beats per minute, reversible action, built-in LED light, and ergonomic design, it makes quick work of the toughest fasteners in automotive, heavy equipment, and industrial applications. The SP83130US kit comes complete with 2 high-capacity lithium-ion batteries and an SP fast charger, giving you extended runtime and convenience right out of the box. Built tough for daily professional use, the essential high-torque impact wrench every serious mechanic needs. Success is built with SP Tools.